Wondering how you could make $995 a day without selling anything or needing a website? In today's tutorial, I'm about to reveal a groundbreaking method that leverages Google Translate to do the heavy lifting for you. And the best part, you can do it from anywhere in the world, completely free. Stick around as I guide you through each step, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more game-changing strategies. The first step in this exciting process is to head over to Google Translate. Just fire up your web browser, type Google Translate into the search bar, and voila! You'll be greeted with a powerful tool at your fingertips. The beauty of Google Translate lies in its versatility. You can pick from a multitude of languages. For the sake of this demonstration, I'll be selecting Spanish, a widely spoken language that opens up a world of possibilities. Once you've selected your language of choice, you're ready to dive into the magic of Google Translate. Let's take Spanish as our example. Whether you're familiar with the language or not, Google Translate is here to lend a helping hand. With its intuitive interface and robust translation capabilities, you'll be amazed at how seamlessly it bridges language barriers into the next step of this ingenious process. Once you've landed on Google Translate and chosen your preferred language, it's time to tap into the viral potential of YouTube. Imagine scouring the depths of the internet for captivating content, but with a twist. Instead of sticking to your native language, we're delving into the vast world of foreign language videos, teeming with untapped viewership. Here's the kicker. You don't even need to create your own videos or manage a YouTube channel. All you need is a keen eye for viral content in other languages. Take, for instance, the top 10 weird houses video we stumbled upon. By translating our search query into Spanish and plugging it into YouTube, we unearthed a treasure trove of high-traffic videos. And guess what? These videos are raking in millions of views, ripe for the picking. As for transforming your discovery into a captivating thumbnail, head over to canva.com, your go-to graphic design haven, where the magic happens. With a few clicks, you'll be on your way to crafting an eye-catching visual masterpiece. First things first, select the custom size option and set it to a crisp 1080 by 1080 pixels, the perfect canvas for your thumbnail. Next up, it's time to bring your downloaded YouTube thumbnail into the spotlight. Simply upload it to Canva and let your creativity run wild. Adjust the size and placement to ensure it seamlessly fits the frame. And if it doesn't quite fit the bill, fear not, Canva's got you covered with its handy resizing tools. With just a few tweaks here and there, you'll have your thumbnail looking sleek and professional in no time. On to the final steps of this lucrative process. With your thumbnail perfected and ready to grab attention, it's time to bring in the big bucks. Begin by downloading your masterpiece as a PNG file, ensuring its crisp quality is preserved for maximum impact. But wait, there's more. Introducing TapMob, your gateway to effortless earnings, without the hassle of selling a thing. This free app has been my ticket to a whopping $45,000 and counting. Navigate to the offer section, where you'll find a treasure trove of CPA offers waiting to be capitalized on. Picture this. Users simply enter their email address for a chance to win enticing prizes, and you pocket a cool $5 or $6 for every email collected. It's that simple. And that's not all. TapMob also offers content lockers, a goldmine waiting to be tapped into. Simply hit the plus icon, select your preferred template. I'm partial to the action template, and give it a catchy name like Viral Spanish Video. Next, plug in the YouTube video link of your chosen foreign language gem, in our case, a Spanish video with the potential to captivate millions. With the groundwork laid and your content locker primed for action, it's time to seal the deal. After selecting your preferred template, the trusty action template gets my vote. Hit save to unleash the power of your content locker. Now, when curious clickers stumble upon your link, they'll be whisked away to an irresistible offer. Picture this. Eager viewers are tantalized with the promise of a captivating video. But there's a catch. They must first enter their email address to unlock the content. And for each email collected, you're looking at a sweet payout ranging from $5 to $15, depending on the offer. But trust me, it's never less than a $5. Let's add the finishing touch. Head back to Google Translate and craft a title that sets the stage for your enticing video. Think along the lines of top 10 weirdest houses that will leave you speechless. Once translated into your target language, you're ready to reel in those eager viewers and start cashing in on the magic of Google Translate. We've set the stage for success with our captivating video and enticing title. It's time to take our content to the next level with SEO writing. Meet SEO Writing AI, your trusty companion for crafting professional SEO-optimized articles in any language. Dive into the one-click blog post feature and enter your main keyword, ensuring it aligns with your target audience's interests. But here's the kicker. To truly maximize your reach, we're taking things up a notch by creating articles in Spanish. Simply head to the course settings and switch the language settings to Spanish. This ensures that your articles resonate with your audience on a deeper level, capturing their attention and driving engagement. Armed with a selection of Spanish keywords, courtesy of Google Translate, let SEO Writing AI work its magic. With just a few clicks, you'll generate a title that perfectly encapsulates the essence of your content in Spanish. And with the power of AI at your fingertips, you can rest assured that your articles will not only be linguistically flawless, but also optimized for maximum visibility. So sit back, relax, and let SEO Writing AI pave the way to success in the world of Spanish content creation. With everything set up and ready to roll, it's time to put our AI companion to work. After double-checking that all settings are in place and aligned with our target language, simply hit the Run button and watch as SEO Writing AI crafts the entire blog post for you, seamlessly translating your ideas into a different language. Once the article is generated, it's time to put it to the test. By switching the language setting and removing any language preferences, you can ensure that the content aligns perfectly with your target audience's needs and preferences. Then, with a single click, copy the article and paste it into Google Translate to seamlessly translate it back into English for review. Take your time to review the translated content, ensuring it captures the essence and intent of the original article. If everything checks out and meets your satisfaction, you're ready to move on to the next step in this exhilarating journey towards success. As our AI diligently crafts the article for us, let's take a quick and effortless detour to Imgur.com, a bustling platform teeming with bizarre images, memes, and all things weird. Creating an account is a breeze, and once you're in, simply hit New Post and select your thumbnail, that eye-catching visual masterpiece we've perfected earlier. Now it's time to add a title that piques curiosity and entices clicks. Just like before, we'll rely on the trusty Google Translate to ensure our title is pitch perfect in our target language. Copying the translated title, paste it into the designated field, and voila, your post is ready to captivate the masses. But here's where the magic happens. To monetize this post, we need to add a call to action that directs users to our content locker on TapMob. A simple click here to watch full video on YouTube suffices, coupled with your content locker link. With this strategic move, every click becomes an opportunity to earn whether users enter their email address or not. And just like that, with the article in the works and our Imgur post prepped for success, we're one step closer to unlocking the full potential of this ingenious strategy. As the article takes shape in Spanish, it's time to leverage platforms like Medium.com to amplify its reach. Simply copy and paste the entire article onto Medium, ensuring to include the call to action we crafted earlier. This ensures that readers are prompted to click through to our content locker, potentially earning us those lucrative payouts. But why stop there with the power of Pinterest? We can further expand our audience reach. Create a pin from scratch, upload the enticing thumbnail we crafted earlier, and include the same call to action. With just a click, users are drawn in by the intriguing visuals and prompted to explore further, leading them straight to our content locker link. And here's the beauty of it all. Despite not speaking the language ourselves, thanks to the wonders of Google Translate and AI tools, we can effortlessly share and monetize content in languages we don't understand. It's a game-changing strategy that opens up a world of opportunities for passive income generation. And let's not forget the power of faceless YouTube automation channels. These channels, devoid of any personal branding or content creation, are a goldmine for passive income. By leveraging various monetization methods, from YouTube ad revenue to affiliate marketing, these channels offer a lucrative stream of income without ever showing our face or recording with a camera. In essence, it's about maximizing our reach and leveraging every available opportunity to turn clicks into cash. With each article, pin, and YouTube channel we deploy, we're casting a wider net and tapping into a wealth of untapped potential. And the best part, we're doing it all without ever having to sell a thing or show our face. It's passive income at its finest, and the possibilities are endless. As we wrap up this eye-opening journey into the world of passive income, I have one question for you. Are you ready to transform your online presence into a powerhouse of profit, all without selling a single thing or showing your face? If the answer is yes, then it's time to take action. Start by hitting that like button if you found this video valuable, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more game-changing strategies just like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. So hit that like button if you enjoyed today's video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more tips, tricks, and tutorials on how to turn your creative visions into reality. Until next time, keep creating, keep innovating, and never stop dreaming big. See you in the next video.